Today we're talking about Christmas. I have 3 boxes I want to talk to you about. I'm able to hold them like this because they're super light as a feather. And if you know what I'm talking about, then you know these are featherly friends. Let's do this. The first box I want to open is this one because it was open when it was delivered. Today is going to be about Featherly Friends Christmas edition. Okay, this is a bonus and we're going to talk about this after. This is the one my son picked out. The Target Christmas collection released last week. All their Featherly Friends were released. This is the bird my son picked out. His name, Conifer. It's our 2024 collection. There are no controversies so far. He's actually in really good quality. This nice powder blue vest, this little wreath, this cute little hat. And my wife was like, we have to get him because he has glasses. This one is so cute. So this was one of the birds that I think due to inventory reasons had disappeared and then returned. Because, you know, I was checking the Target app all day. Look how cute this one is. I showed my wife. She's like, oh my God, the earmuffs. We have to get it. 2024. This one's name is Fern. Look how cute. We said this one because it's holding this cute little package, this little scarf. This one's just ready to walk through the cold. So look at these two together. And we have more. I'm not really sure who's in this box, to be honest with you. Oh, I remember. This one here. I'm gonna open this up. Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is so cute. 2024. Whoops. Mepak. Bundled up and ready for a snowy adventure. This one is so cute. You know, after the Halloween collection, this kind of feels boring. I never thought I would be doing Christmas unboxing in September. That's for sure. Berry. Oh, that reminds me of my aunt. We used to call her Holly Berry. She was born in December. So cute, holding a little berry tree, berry branch, something like that. I really like this one. I love this little hat, this little knitted hat. I don't know what it was packaged with, but there seems to be some kind of sparkly thing here. Color scheming with this one as well. I'm surprised they did not continue the mouths. I would imagine these were designed months ago, like shortly after the Halloween ones, but maybe for Halloween they took a chance. Although it was highly controversial, they sold out their Halloween birds. I think they're gonna sell out their Christmas birds as well because these are all so freaking cute. If you have a favorite so far, let me know. Because you've made it this long, we're gonna go look at this. I am going to spoil their Christmas gift. This is for one of my family members. If they watch this, they will know which one it's for, but I'm not gonna say it out loud. This person in my family loves to throw together snack boards. And so I saw this. Actually, my wife saw this charcuterie board ornament for, guess how much? Guess how much? $5. It's pretty solid. They all get an ornament, and each ornament is special to that person. And you know what Fern's gonna do? Fern's gonna go watch one of these videos on the channel. Isn't that right, Fern? Yeah? Which video are you gonna pick? That one? Okay. Okay, so Fern recommends this video. Check it out.